you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Oh yeah, I had to get here.
It's a whole new feel this time.
Yeah. That back wall looks nice too.
Yeah. Hey,
You got the back
everything's
seat?
in the back now.
Oh, you got the back seat and everything.
Yeah. Everything's
no.
back yonder.
I was thinking he had to. I thought you got rid of the back seat.
Well, he did, but then he moved everything to the back.
Oh, that was a good idea right there.
Yeah, because he only had 3 subs. He's running 9 now.
Yeah, he went out of the way.
Yeah.
You keeping?
Stunt wall in the back.
I would say you keeping the windshield.
So far.
That's the best thing to say at it. Just so
Or
far.
he shredded a sub earlier though. I mean, freaking shredded.
So what
You'll
you
have
do?
to go over and look. It's in the back of our Duramax. I mean, it's in pieces.
I think that's about what it was. You just swapped the sub on out?
Yep.
Oh, you had an extra one. Yeah. That's why I learned about the extra subs at y'all. That's all I'm gonna do about it. I didn't even know people really do it at first.
Yeah. You gonna play?
You got the thing playing. So you can get demos in the back seat and everything now.
Yep.
15Ks.
Yeah, you keep them big amps though, don't you?
Well, different this time.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I was wondering when you still driving it, you know, to the show. You can still drive it though, couldn't you?
Yes.
Yeah, we had to put it on the air rod though, because it's so damn heavy. It was sitting on the frame.
Oh man, that's smooth right there. You do all your own work and everything.
Yeah. Every bit of it.
Crazy, ain't it?
Oh, so I can put this on the Suburban then. I know this is heavy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this truck's heavy.
Golly, that's all right there.
Yeah, because I can't put it on that trailer no more.
Yeah, we used to haul it in on the trailer. That trailer won't carry it no more. It's too heavy.
Y'all tried it this time?
No, we brought. That's my son.
Oh, y'all
The
drove it.
trailer did. Yeah.
Do you remember Shannon Boom's cookie cutter truck?
Was it a Blazer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's 2.0. That's his doors. That's his box in there.
This is old, pretty much.
Pretty
Upgrade.
much. Other than it's not a Ford or a two door now.
Y'all been working. I've been seeing y'all online. Y'all don't take a weekend off, do you?
No.
Y'all have build parties, don't you?
We've had a few.
Yeah, man.
And that truck a month ago wasn't running.
Y'all put a motor and everything in?
It had an intake leak and it got coolant in the oil. So he fixed it himself. And last weekend we threw the bill together.
So you do all the cams and everything?
No, we didn't do all
Or
that.
y'all just kept it one stop?
Yeah, we just redid the gaskets and put it back.
Got it running good. Yeah, man. Look, I'm gonna go check that out. He get on it.
Yeah. Hey, look. Can you give BASSWITHKEV a demo?
What? Let them know where they can find you, at, man.
John Trent on Facebook.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow. Y'all know I'm giving him a tag. Appreciate it, man.
And Silver Punisher on TikTok.
Yes, sir.
You got the right equipment, ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.